So we came basically to, first of all, educate customers and at the same time identify areas where customers have been connected illegally and advise them on the proper means of connecting to our grid so that we can ensure a quality supply. One thing that we've found is that there are many electricians who are either trained or untrained who are all over, and they're misleading our customers by way of connecting them directly on supply. And as a result, the consumption of the customers is not measured in our meters. We want to send a strong warning to these scrupulous electricians that we will not allow them. In Nakuru County, whichever border or whichever corner they are in, we will do everything to ensure that we find them. And we have had many intelligence on the whereabouts of these electricians, including here in Mwishi. We are doing our best through our security to see that we get hold of them. We are tracking them down. We have their contacts. We know where they stay. It's just a matter of time that before we can be able to nab them and take them to the corridors of justice. This area of Mwishi, we have had quite a number of supplies that we have found on direct supply. We've had many times accidents are happening in various places within Nakuru, and this is something that we want and we are determined to bring to an end. And so we encourage our customers to come over and have legal connections. We have also had challenge where someone applies for power, and once he supplies to a neighbor, he supplies to another building. We are advising customers that this is an illegal activity. We encourage every customer must have his own meter and not supplied from a neighbor. These are cases that we found in here, both Neswit and also here in Mwishi. And therefore we are encouraging customers, don't supply to your neighbor.